Alright guys, we're gonna learn how to wash the stove. But first, I want you to say hi to my puppy boy. He's pretty cute. Okay, what I use to wash the stove is I use just some Clorox wipes. So I'm gonna get one out. And then wipe down, especially around the burners, because often if you're making pasta or soup, when it starts to boil, it'll splatter over. So you want to make sure it's scrubbed pretty well. That's really all you do. If it's dirty under the burner, you can take it out and dump it out. I would ask for help with that though if you need to. Otherwise, just make sure you scrub it all. Get the sticky stuff that's on there. That's it, and then you throw it away. Good luck.